All right, so today we're at the Festival of Cannes, and you see what's behind me? This is called the stage. And today we're going to be learning English in the easiest and fastest way. But how? Comprehensible input. And what is that? It's like what I just showed you. You see the stage here for the festival? That's comprehensible input. So we're at the Festival of Cannes and we're going to be learning English. We're gonna go around there to the left, and there's gonna be a big line. You guys will see later on. All right, word of the day is festival. Okay, so here we're at the Festival of Cannes. You can see this is a kiosk. You can buy ice cream, maybe they'll have hamburgers, something like that at a kiosk where you can buy things. So today's word of the day is festival. And a festival is something to celebrate either good films, or it could be a festival of music, or maybe it's a food festival. Oh, there's some security guards there. You see some security guards? But yeah, that's what a festival is. It's anything to celebrate greatness. And you never know, maybe today we'll see some celebrities. Stay tuned. So, and there's even some stuff for kids here. Those there are rides. There's some rides over there. So here behind me, that's a big stage, like the first word of the day, stage. So any of the famous celebrities that come to Cannes for the film festival, they'll be going in that area there. Maybe we'll go later, stick around, you never know. But I also wanted to show you guys all these stores along the road. See the stores, they're along the road. They're stores of luxury. They're luxury stores like Balenciaga or Gucci. If all these stores there are luxury stores. So that's a very good English vocabulary. Luxury, things that are expensive. And here is the entrance to the Festival of Cannes. All the stars are gonna go inside the building there. This here is a building, big building, festival building. You can see all the people waiting in line to get inside. So at festivals, I don't know if you guys can see, you'll see the two guys in front of me here. They're wearing badges, you see? Badges. And when you go to a festival, you need these badges to get inside the special areas of certain festivals. And this is a boutique. If you want to buy something in the Festival of Cannes, you can go inside. They'll have different souvenirs that you can buy inside. So this here is called a boutique shop. And here is a sun hat. See, inside the souvenir shop, we have different souvenirs from Cannes, even little handbags. Oh, they got some mugs there. And these are lanyards. See? Lanyards. All right, that's enough of the souvenir shop. Yeah, they're all waiting in line. See that? They're waiting. All of them are waiting in line to go see the stars. I don't want to wait in line that long, so we're just going to walk around and see the rest of Cannes. Maybe we'll see somebody famous, you never know. All right, so this is as far up I think we can get you guys. You guys are lucky I'm tall, so I can put the camera real high. See, that there is the red carpet, you see? It's the red carpet. That's where the celebrities be walking up. I'll zoom in a little bit. That's the red carpet. People are just here waiting to see what stars are going to come to the Cannes Film Festival. See, and here, this is a barrier. This is so we can't jump over the barrier. And here is another security booth. You gotta show your badges. See, they have their lanyards here. You gotta show your badges to get inside the Cannes Film Festival. People riding some big horses. See, some big horse. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Yeah, you see, they're beautiful horses. And if you ride horses, you ride donkeys, anything like this, you ride. All right, so this here is a crosswalk, and we're going to cross the road. Gotta be safe. And on the other side of the road here, you guys see there's a bunch of luxury stores, Louis Vuitton stores. Fred, tell me in the comments if you know what Fred is. I don't know what Fred is. There's Burma. I don't know what that is either. Guys, in the comments, tell me if you know what these stores are. I don't know any of these stores. And see here, Saint Laurent. That's a store I know. I know this store. But you see all these people here on the sidewalk? The sidewalk is very crowded. And crowded just means there's a lot of people. It's hard to move around. You see? There's the horses again. 2 police officers riding the horses. There they are again. That is the Majestic. I guess it's a hotel, and that's where a lot of people come to stay when they come to Cannes. See how crowded it is, you guys? Holy. You guys are lucky I'm tall. And I can see over everybody. See that? I can see over everybody. Here we got some villas in Cannes, you see? Villas, or they're called mansions. How much do these cost? This is 16 million euros. They got one for 50,000 a week. And what is that, 5 million? Some nice mansions. Big houses are called mansions, you guys. Mansions. Oh no. Where's Valen? I can't find my wife. Where's Valen? There she is. She's over there. You see her hand? I see this huge crowd. I still can't find my wife. I wonder where she is. Oh, this is Dior, I think. The Dior store. See, there's security guards outside the Dior store. Oh, there she is. There's my beautiful wife. We lost her for a little bit. What's over there? I guess people are going up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some stars going up on the red carpet. I think I've heard of this mark before. It's called Miu Miu. They sell handbags. You see these two? These are handbags, and they're luxury handbags at Miu Miu. See, there's the screen, so you can see the different people who are on the red carpet. And you can see, I'm gonna guys take you to the front of this big building so you can see the sign. So you can see here, there's in the Cannes Film Fest, there's a bunch of cameramen everywhere. There's cameramen everywhere. And here is the front of the Cannes Film Festival. You got here the ticket booth. Ticket booth is where you buy your tickets. It's called a ticket booth. And there you can see, there is the red carpet, the stairs, the red carpet. So here is the red carpet. When celebrities come inside a big building like this, they walk on what's called the red carpet. Here is a mall, and a mall has a bunch of different stores you can go inside. But we're not gonna go inside the mall today. We're gonna continue to go over to Balenciaga. Here, up there, those are all apartment buildings, and the top there, you can see they have balconies. Here is another luxury store, Polo, Ralph Lauren. And should we go right here, or should we go straight? I think we're going to go straight. And here is a beautiful fountain. And see, if you, I don't know if you guys can see the date. The fountain was made in 1981. Fountain. We gotta turn right here to go to Balenciaga. Right. We gotta turn right. Okay, and now we're walking to the Balenciaga store. We're gonna go see what all the hype is about in Balenciaga. Now we're going to cross the road across the road again. Up there we have different flags. See, those are all flags up there, flags. Hey, after searching for 30 minutes, we finally found it. We're going inside Balenciaga now. Oh, see, we're inside the store. Bonjour. Women always have to fix themselves in the mirror. Oh, we got some nice bags. All right, so we're finished the video. Thank you guys for coming with me in the Festival of Cannes. We have a nice, beautiful view behind us, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.